Kushna, that is a country-made liquor, NGO heads start laughing at them. Most of the cases, parents of these children make Kushna or Handia. But when child says that their parents making liquor, teachers and others not able to appreciate the child, and they say that making liquor at home, that kushina made out of rice, is considered as a bad thing and a crime, and the child feels that why others are criticizing and discriminating their food habits, cultural tradition of their own community. In Koraput villages, children use just one piece of cloth to cover them, and they always try to adjust it with while dancing. But it is also seen that tribal girls are discouraged by their teachers when they said that they eat meat, and teachers and NGO workers coming outside, they start laughing, and tribal children disassociated with the program.
काय काम करछन् तु रपा
पापा
हां
उसो मर्जेसी
धान
नहीं नहीं वो करेक्ट बोला. क्या बोला?
उसो मारी माने से दिने दिने छ ना मारबे माने चाष कराई फील्ड में जो करते हैं
पापा
हां
उसो मर्जेसी
माने चाष कराई फील्ड में जो करते हैं.
Mothers are happy about the crutch centers. They say that they are very free and getting some time to work on their livelihoods, like BDs making and selling it, earning for something for their livelihood.
रोज आता है आपका बच्चा इधर? कैसा क्यों इधर ये है ना सेंटर, इसके वजह कुछ फायदा है?
हेबा बोले त आज्ञा पढाउछु हमें छुआ मन के पढाउछु माने छुआ मन के खाबार के दउछन फेन शिक्षा दउछन.
हां उसके लिए क्या लाभ है मदर के लिए? उसके लिए
तमर लई क्या लाभ होची? हमर लागि हमें फ्री रही पारलु, हमें सब काम बुता करी पारलु. तमर छुआ स्कूल के आसु छे, ये तमर का लाभ होचे इनु जेती टाइम होचे तमर का लाभ होचे सब लाभ होचे. बिडी बनोछु, खेत के जाउछु टाइम पड़ले तापरे तापरे का बिडी बनासु
ओके
छुआ मन खाइ पी के गले मन के तिसुन करे सुविधा होचे का दीदी एतो बड़ बाप दरकार ना पाठ पढले गले भी हमर चिंता नाही, मरि गले भी चिंता नाही. पिला मन सुकर थिबार रहले बास नाती मने जियो पो सब पाठ पढवार अछि. आमे जंगल भी नाही पारे. तमे को कहला तमरो को नाही सेंती पाठ पढी करी पिला मन शिखते हे कर रहले तो बोला.
Mothers says that crutches are very much useful to them. They are safe in crutch centers. There are no fear of their children because of crutches. It can take care of them so that mothers can go for work. Handia is a major occupation practiced by the tribals in Orissa. Handia is a liquor made at home. It is not only liquor, it is a food for them. Their children are there in crutches. Women engage in making handia, selling it at marketplaces. They earn 60 to 70 rupees in a day. Crutch centers helping their parents to go to the forest and fetch firewood, and they sell it in the market. each case, one male member earn 85 to 100 rupees per day on firewood collection, collecting it and selling it at marketplaces. Many more mothers participate in road construction works. Since their children are there at crutches, they actively, without any fear, participate in road construction. Recently, foreign liquor coming illegally into the tribal areas, replacing locally made handia. Entry of a foreign liquor has threatened the local occupations and local liquor, that is handia. In this process, tribals, their own traditional occupation of making handia is threatened. Though government has provided ambulance for sick people, but illegal sale of foreign liquor in tribal area spoiled tribal health as well as deteriorated their economy. Handia is given to the children, those who are attending crutch centers. Every child after second year, he has been given handia.
खेलिया पदा क्रे सेंटर रे आपण जो पिला पढुचंती से माने जो हांडिया हमर तो आदिवासी मानकर जो खाइबा खाद्य हो हांडिया हांडिया ता माने केबे पिउचंती माने केबे वर्ष केते वर्ष से माने पियंती हां 2-3 वर्ष टु आरंभ करी पियंती 3 वर्ष से माने हांडिया पियंती माने काई हांडिया पियंती माने खाइया को न देई आमे भात न देई अने देई हांडिया काई पियो दोचे
मां माने जत खाइले से तांकर भी कहबे हम ठीक पिउ.
They feel that it provides strength for children. Another major livelihood of tribal population is collection of muva flowers. These flowers are used for making liquor. They earn 30 rupees per kg. Entry of corporate sectors destabilize the tribal population's life, particularly in the areas of where POSCO is going to be started. People are fear of talking of POSCO because they think that the agents of POSCO can come and threaten them. Parents and teachers of crutch children are disorganized and lost livelihoods due to POSCO taken over their lands.
POSCO आना तो अच्छा होता है, ना आना तो अच्छा होता है, कुछ है
The crutches run in forest areas also practice untouchability. Crutch run in Angul found that scheduled caste children and mothers not allowed to sit together with general community children.
किसको नीचे देखता है ज्यादा?
ज़्यादा वो हरिजन आदमी को देखता है ज़्यादा.
कैसा?
वो उसका वो छोटा आदमी है ना, सबसे छोटा सबसे छोटा कास्ट है, तो इसलिए उसको नीचे देखता है.
कैसा नीचे देखना मतलब क्या क्या करता है?
उस सबसे माने गांव का आदमी तो उसे सबसे नीचे देखता ना, तो वो तो छोटा कास्ट है, तो इसलिए उसको बहुत नीचे देखता है.
नीचे मतलब घर के अंदर नहीं आना देता?
नहीं घर के अंदर वो बाहर रहता है.
और
वो बाहर रहता है, किसका साथ भी मिलेगा नहीं, और बैठेगा तो उससे अलग बच्चा, इसीलिए उसको छोटा सोचते हैं. क्या
उसका बच्चा लोग स्कूल जाता है?
हाँ,
स्कूल में भी अलग बैठता है ना.
NGOs consider it as normal and never try to address the issues. factors has led Maoists to take up such issues to help the tribal population. Maoists killed police in Lakshmipur village of Koraput for supporting foreign liquor mafia in the villages. In the process, in the attacks, Kutch children's relatives also got killed, and Maoists also killed several political leaders from the villages.
ये सेंटर का टीचर था।
टीचर का भाई को क्यों मारा?
घूमने के लिए वो लोग सुना बड़ा जाते हैं। तो इसी गाड़ी में 2 पुलिस लोग थे, इसलिए नक्सल
उसका टीचर का भाई को मार दिया।
Rejection and imposition of elite policy disheartened the tribal children and grow as a discontent among and about the government programs and attracted by the Maoist movements. Local Handia economy is threatened. Their food habits have been laughed at. Their dance has not been recognized as a livelihood. Programs do not involve poor and tribal population. Rather, due to elite perceptions, this mismatch is rejected by the tribal population. Go to the alternative movements for their development.